Unveiling USSR's Venera missions, a cosmic journey. Welcome, space cadets, to this cosmic odyssey. We're about to embark on a thrilling journey through the history of space exploration, focusing on a series of missions that often get lost in the shadows, overshadowed by the Apollo frenzy. We're talking about the USSR's Venera missions, a daring endeavor to unveil the mysteries of Venus, our fiery celestial neighbor. Now, you might be thinking, Venus? Why Venus? Isn't it a scorching, hellish planet with a toxic atmosphere? Well, you're not wrong, but that's exactly what makes these missions so intriguing. Despite the propaganda of the West, these missions remain some of the most significant in space exploration history. So buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the heart of the Venera program, where ingenuity met the unforgiving cosmos. Venera 1, the Trailblazer. Our story begins in 1961, at the height of the space race. The United States had just sent Alan Shepard into space, and the world was watching, captivated by the audacity of it all. But unbeknownst to many, the Soviet Union was quietly preparing its own audacious mission, Venera 1. This spacecraft, the first of its kind, was humanity's initial attempt to reach another planet, Venus. Think about that for a second. We were just beginning to dip our toes into the cosmic ocean, and here we were aiming for another planet. Venera 1 was a technological marvel for its time, equipped with instruments to study interplanetary space and, hopefully, Venus itself. It was a long shot, a bold gamble, but one that would forever alter the course of space exploration. While Venera 1 ultimately lost contact with Earth before reaching Venus, its legacy lived on. It proved that reaching other planets was not just a distant dream, but a tangible possibility. It paved the way for future missions and ignited a fire in the hearts of scientists and dreamers alike. Venera 1 was a testament to the unyielding human spirit, a spirit that dared to venture into the unknown. Venera 2, a near miss. The setback of Venera 1 only fueled the Soviet Union's determination. In 1965, they launched Venera 2, another attempt to reach our enigmatic neighbor. This mission, like its predecessor, aimed to fly by Venus, gathering crucial data about its atmosphere and magnetic field. Venera 2 carried more sophisticated instruments designed to withstand the harsh conditions of space and send back valuable information. The mission seemed promising, but fate, it seemed, had other plans. Just as Venera 2 approached Venus, disaster struck. Communication with the spacecraft was lost, leaving scientists on Earth anxiously awaiting signals that would never come. Despite its unfortunate end, Venera 2 was not a failure. It provided valuable lessons in spacecraft design and deep space communication, lessons that would prove crucial for future missions. The quest to conquer Venus was far from over. In fact, it was just beginning. Venera 3, touchdown. Now, 1966 marked a pivotal year in the Venera program, a year that would etch its name in the annals of space exploration history. This was the year Venera 3 achieved what no human-made object had ever done before. It touched down on another planet. Imagine the thrill, the sheer awe of witnessing this incredible feat. Venera 3, carrying a durable descent capsule, pierced through the thick Venusian atmosphere, enduring extreme temperatures and pressures. This was no easy feat, considering the limited technology of the time. While Venera 3's landing system failed before it could transmit data back to Earth, its impact on Venus marked a monumental achievement. It was a giant leap for humankind, a testament to our relentless pursuit of knowledge and exploration. The success of Venera 3's impact paved the way for an even more ambitious mission. Venera 4, launched in 1967, this mission aimed to do what no spacecraft had done before, directly study the atmosphere of another planet. Venera 4 carried a sophisticated atmospheric probe equipped with instruments to measure temperature, pressure, and atmospheric composition. As it descended through the thick Venusian clouds, it relayed back groundbreaking data, revealing a hostile and unforgiving environment. For the first time, we had a glimpse into the true nature of Venus's atmosphere, a dense, superheated cauldron composed primarily of carbon dioxide. This discovery revolutionized our understanding of planetary atmospheres and the conditions necessary for life as we know it. The data from Venera 4 ignited a firestorm of scientific curiosity. In 1969, the Soviet Union launched 2 more probes, Venera 5 and 6, to further unravel the mysteries of Venus's atmosphere. These missions were designed to withstand even greater pressures than their predecessor, allowing them to penetrate deeper into the Venusian inferno. Equipped with refined instruments, Venera 5 and 6 provided even more detailed data about the composition, temperature, and pressure gradients of Venus's atmosphere. They confirmed the earlier findings of Venera 4, painting a grim picture of a planet trapped in a runaway greenhouse effect. These missions were a testament to the iterative nature of science, where each mission builds upon the successes and failures of its predecessors. The data they collected helped scientists refine their models of Venus's atmosphere and provided crucial insights into the dynamics of planetary evolution. The year 1970 marked another milestone in the Venera program with the launch of Venera 7. This mission had a singular, ambitious goal to land a probe on the surface of Venus that could withstand the extreme heat and pressure and transmit data back to Earth. To achieve this, Venera 7's lander was built like a tank, designed to withstand pressures 180 times that of Earth's atmosphere and temperatures hot enough to melt lead, and withstand it did. On December 15, 1970, Venera 7 touched down on the surface of Venus, becoming the first human-made object to achieve a soft landing on another planet. Despite the odds, Venera 7 managed to transmit data for 23 minutes from the surface, providing the first direct measurements of the Venusian surface temperature, which was a scorching 475 degrees Celsius. This was a monumental achievement, a testament to the ingenuity and perseverance of the Soviet space program. Chapter 7, Venera 8. Surface Secrets Revealed. With the success of Venera 7, the Soviet Union set their sights even higher. Venera 8, launched in 1972, was designed not only to survive on the surface of Venus, but to study it in detail. This mission carried an array of instruments, including a gamma-ray spectrometer, to analyze the composition of the Venusian soil. Venera 8's lander touched down safely and transmitted data for over 50 minutes, providing valuable information about the surface's illuminance and the atmosphere's wind speeds. The data revealed that Venus's surface was relatively smooth at the landing site and that the atmosphere, while incredibly dense, had relatively low wind speeds near the surface. This mission further solidified the Soviet Union's lead in Venus exploration and provided crucial data that helped shape our understanding of Venus's geological history. Chapter 8, Venera 9 and 10, A Glimpse of Hell. The Venera program reached a new pinnacle in 1975 with the launch of Venera 9 and 10. These missions were equipped with a groundbreaking new capability. They carried cameras ready to capture the first ever images from the surface of another planet. Imagine the anticipation, the sheer excitement as these images were beamed back to Earth. Venera 9 and 10 successfully landed on Venus and transmitted panoramic images of the surface, revealing a desolate landscape littered with rocks and boulders. The images, while grainy by today's standards, were nothing short of breathtaking. For the first time, humanity had seen the surface of another planet, a world so different from our own. These images captivated the world and further cemented the Soviet Union's position as a leader in space exploration. Chapter 9, Venera 11 and 12, Atmospheric Anomalies. Building on the success of previous missions, Venera 11 and 12, launched in 1978, focused on studying the complex and dynamic atmosphere of Venus. Equipped with sophisticated instruments, these missions aimed to unlock the secrets of Venus's lightning storms and atmospheric composition. Venera 11 and 12 detected frequent and powerful lightning discharges in the Venusian atmosphere, confirming earlier suspicions of electrical activity on the planet. They also carried instruments to analyze the composition of the Venusian clouds, revealing the presence of sulfuric acid, a highly corrosive substance. These discoveries further highlighted the extreme and hostile nature of Venus's atmosphere, providing valuable data for scientists studying the planet's unique meteorological phenomena. Chapter 10, Venera 13 and 14, Colors of an Alien World. In 1982, the Venera program achieved another remarkable feat with the launch of Venera 13 and 14. These missions were designed to not only land on Venus, but to capture the first ever color images from its surface. Imagine the vibrant hues of this alien world revealed for the first time in all their glory. Venera 13 and 14 successfully touched down on Venus and captured stunning color panoramas of the surface, showcasing a landscape bathed in an eerie orange glow. These images provided a more detailed and realistic view of Venus's surface, revealing the subtle variations in color and texture. The missions also carried instruments to analyze the composition of the Venusian soil, providing valuable insights into the planet's geological history and the processes that shaped its surface. Chapter 11, Venera 15 and 16, Mapping the Inferno. The final missions in the Venera program, Venera 15 and 16, launched in 1983, took a different approach to studying Venus. Instead of landing on the surface, these missions were designed to orbit the planet and map its surface using radar. This innovative approach allowed scientists to peer through the thick Venusian clouds and create detailed maps of the planet's surface features, including mountains, valleys, and volcanic plains. Venera 15 and 16 provided the first comprehensive radar maps of Venus's northern hemisphere, revealing a world shaped by intense volcanic activity. These maps revolutionized our understanding of Venus's geology and provided crucial data for future missions to the planet. The legacy of Venera, a cosmic triumph. As we conclude our journey through the Venera program, it's impossible not to feel a sense of awe and admiration for the scientists and engineers who made these missions possible. These pioneers dared to dream big, pushing the boundaries of human ingenuity and venturing into the unknown with unwavering determination. These missions by the USSR have provided invaluable data and insights into Venus, paving the way for future exploration. Thanks to the Venera program, we now have a much deeper understanding of our sister planet, its scorching temperatures, its crushing pressure, and its toxic atmosphere. While Venus may not be a suitable candidate for life as we know it, studying it helps us understand the dynamics of planetary evolution and the delicate balance of conditions that make Earth habitable. It's time we acknowledge and celebrate these remarkable achievements in space exploration history. The Venera program stands as a testament to the power of human curiosity, our relentless pursuit of knowledge, and our unyielding desire to explore the cosmos.